Hey guys, so today I'll show you to get free Spotify Premium in 2025. So as you can see over here, to get Premium Individual is $11 a month, but we have the option to get it with Dev Mode. So I'm going to turn this on and let's see if we got it. And bang guys, we got Spotify Premium. That's it. That's all we got to do. So I'm going to show you guys how to get Spotify Premium for free. So if I'm remembering correctly, what you need to do is go onto matrixmods.com. So let me just type this in right here. So in this search bar, I'm not 100% sure it's on here, but type Spotify. And okay, so it's actually on hexmods.com. So let me just type this in. So in this site, guys, just go onto the search bar and put Spotify. And then it should come up, and press on it, and before it downloads there will be one more step. This is the verification. So what you have to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% free, guys, from official app store. So this will get you the free Spotify Premium mod that you just saw me using. So as you can see, it says missing files, so just download 2 of these apps. Doesn't have to be the same ones as me, but like Family Island says reach level 10 to game, so I could do that. I could do Scanner. Underdog says down to run for 30 seconds. That's pretty easy. Lucky Match is another game. You just got to reach level 11. So just make sure you watch this video if you're confused. But that's how I get free Spotify Premium in 2025. So it's super awesome. And as you know, guys, it's like $11 a month. So that's really bad because, like, who wants to pay for that? So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But if you guys are interested in getting free Spotify Premium, be sure to watch this video till the end, guys. It's super awesome. So yeah, there you go, guys. Hex Mods. So I'll see you guys later, and peace out, bro. This is super awesome, bro.